A few months ago, this comparison wouldn't have made sense. N8N was automation. ChatGPT was conversation. Two completely different things. But now, both are moving toward AI agents, and honestly, that's where things get interesting. Because after testing both, I realized they're solving the same problem from the opposite directions. The problem is simple. Nobody wants more tools. People want less work. That's exactly why AI agents are exploding right now. So I decided to test N8N and ChatGPT Agent with actual tasks. Not demos, not marketing examples, real work. The first thing I tried was research. I gave both systems a similar goal and watched what happened. ChatGPT Agent immediately felt more natural. I could talk to it like an employee, ask questions, change directions, refine the task. The experience felt simple, almost effortless. And honestly, that's its biggest advantage. Most people can start using it within minutes. Then I switched to N8N, and my experience was completely different. N8N didn't feel like an assistant. It felt like infrastructure. Instead of asking it to do one task, I started building systems, lead generation, content workflows, CRM updates, email automation, data collection. And suddenly I understood why power users love it. The more complicated the workflow became, the stronger N8N looked. Now here's what surprised me. The comparison isn't really about intelligence. Most people think it is. It isn't. It's about repeatability. ChatGPT Agent is amazing when you're actively involved. Yet you ask, it responds, you guide, it helps, but N8N shines when you want the work happening automatically in the background. That's a huge difference. One feels like hiring an assistant, the other feels like hiring an operations team. The next thing I noticed was setup, and this is where many people will make their decision. ChatGPT Agent is dramatically easier. No question. Open it. Describe what you want. Start working. N8N requires more effort upfront, more planning, more building, more troubleshooting. But once a workflow is running, the payoff can be huge, especially for agencies, startup founders, marketers, and business owners. After spending time with both, I kept asking myself one question. If I could only keep one, which would I choose? And honestly, the answer depends entirely on your situation. If you're looking for a smart AI partner that can help you think, research, write, and solve problems, ChatGPT Agent is incredibly powerful. But if you're trying to automate repetitive work, connect apps, run processes, and build systems that work while you sleep, N8N is in a different league. So, which AI agent is more powerful? For intelligence and usability, ChatGPT Agent wins. For automation and scalability, N8N wins. And that's why there is